Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friends, in this video we will link all these 4 CSS style sheets with this index.html page. So friend, I will come right under the title, and here I will write link relation is equal to double quotes, and I will close the link tag, and here friend I will write style sheet. In the same way you will also write style sheet, and I write here type is equal to double quotes, and I write text backslash CSS. Now I come out of these double quotes and I write href is equal to double quotes, and friend here I will write the name of first page. You know that the name of first page is style.css, and I have written here style.css. I can control S to save. Now I press enter, and in the same way I write link space relation is equal to double quotes, and I close it, and once again I write here style sheet. Now I come out of these double quotes, type is equal to double quotes, and here I write text backslash CSS. I come out and I write href is equal to, and friend the name of second file is large.css. You see that large.css, and I will write here large.css. Control S to save. So friend, now there is a twist, because now you will, when you will add the third file, so in spite of attaching the medium.css, I will attach the first small.css just to make you understand. You can attach medium.css, but I am attaching here small.css only to tell you that why it is essential, because in this way you will understand it more easily about the linking relation and about its procedure. So friend, I will once again I will make here link relation is equal to, and I close it, and here once again I will write style sheet, and in the same way I will write here type is equal to double quotes text backslash and CSS. So friend, now in spite of writing href, I come out these double quotes and I will use a media query. So friend, first of all I will write here media. So you will also write here same media is equal to and double quotes, and inside this media you will write only screen and space parenthesis and parenthesis. Sorry, inside and. So friend, this is the method of writing the media query. Now inside these two parentheses I will write the specific width and height to tell the browser that this page should be shown according to this given specific width and height to medium devices or small devices, because this page is small.css, so it will be for the small devices like mobile phones. So friend, first of all I will write here the minimum width inside the first parenthesis. So I will write here min width is equal to, sorry, not is equal to, column 50 pixel. Minimum width for the device should be min/width column 50 pixel. And friend, in the second parenthesis inside it I will define the maximum width. So I will write max/width column 500 pixel. So I I have told the browser that you show this page for small devices, minimum width 50 pixel and maximum width 500 pixel. So now I come out of these two double quotes, and same way I will write href double quotes, and here I will write the page name small dot css. So friend, in the same way you will attach the medium dot, this is the medium dot css file. You will attach the medium dot css file with your index dot html page. So I press enter, and once again I write link relation is equal to, I close it, and I write style sheet, type is equal to double quotes text backslash css, and once again you will write here media is equal to double quotes, and inside these double quotes you will write the same text, only screen and parentheses and these two parentheses. You will write the same, only screen and parentheses, and once again parentheses. And here friend, you will begin the write from the living width, maximum width 500, and I have written here 501, and you will write here min width in spite of, because you left the 500 pixel maximum width. So you will write here min width column 501 pixel, and in the same way friend, you will come in the next parenthesis and you will write here max width column 800 pixel, and Control S to save. So now I will come out of these two double quotes, and I will write href is equal to, and I will write here the page name medium dot css, and you know that its name is medium dot css. Control S to save. So friend, you see that now we have attached all these 4 pages with the index.html, and this is one mistake, minimum, not minimum, so minimum. Control S to save. So friend, in this way you will attach all your 4 made CSS style sheet pages with your index.html page by using link relation style sheet type text backslash CSS href and is equal to page name. And here you will use the media query, media is equal to inside double quotes only screen and parenthesis min slash width column 50 pixel and space max slash width 500 pixel. And here you will write once again the href is equal to small.css mean your page name. And in the same way I have attached the medium.css page with this index.html. So friend, now this procedure has been completed. Now I will write one comment right under these links tags and right above the head. These comments are very essential for browser. So greater than sign, explanation sign, and 2 slashes and 4 square brackets, and then less than to close. And here friend I will write if lt 9, and in the same way I will press enter and I will make a script tag here, and here I will close this script tag, and as an attribute inside this script tag I will write src is equal to double quotes, and here I will give a link. HTTP column / HTML5 shiv.google.com /svn /trunk /html 5.js and Control S to save. So friend, this is the default link, and you will also write the same link, and here I will close the comment greater than explanation sign square brackets, and I have closed, and here you will write and if. Control S to save. So friend, you will also write the comment in the same way, because it is the default comment which will tell the browser about your websites. So friend, we have done work over the head section. Now in next video, we will begin to work inside the body, and this work will remain continue till the end of this course, because now we are to do all the work inside the body.